Unlock the power of your spreadsheets by learning to isolate data for any specific day with this quick Excel tutorial. Imagine you have a large dataset, like sales figures, website traffic, or task completion logs, all organized by date sometimes. You might want to see just what happened on a particular day or over a specific period. This is where extracting Daywise data becomes incredibly useful for spotting trends and making informed decisions. Let's dive into how to do this first. Ensure your data has a clearly defined date column. We'll use Excel's powerful filtering tools to achieve our goal. Navigate to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find the Filter option. Click on it. You'll notice small drop-down arrows appear at the top of each column header. Now, click the drop-down arrow on your date column. This opens a menu with various filtering options for extracting data for a specific day. The easiest way is to use the Date filter. Hover over Date filters and you'll see options like Equals, Before, After, and Between. To select a single day, choose Equals. A dialog box will pop up in the field provided. Enter the exact date you want to extract data for, making sure it's in a format Excel recognizes, like MMDDYYYY or YYYYMMDD, then click OK. Instantly, your spreadsheet will update, showing only the rows that match that specific date. All other data is temporarily hidden, making it easy to analyze your chosen day. To bring back all your data, simply click the drop-down arrow on the Date column again and select Clear Filter from Date. For extracting data over a range of days, like a week or a month, you can use the Between option within Date filters. This allows you to specify a start date and an end date, filtering for all records within that period. And there you have it. You can now efficiently extract and analyze your data day by day or for any custom date range, giving you clearer insights into your operations. Mastering this simple Excel skill will significantly improve your data analysis and decision-making. Happy analyzing!